Ever wondered how to turn your time spent online into a profitable venture? Well, here are the top 5 ways to make money online. Number 5. Online surveys. This is a simple yet effective way to generate income. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions on their products or services. Participating in online surveys doesn't require any specific skills or qualifications, just your honest feedback. It might not make you a millionaire, but it's a great way to earn some extra pocket money. Number 4. Freelance writing. Got a knack for words? Use it to your advantage. There are countless websites and blogs out there in need of content. You can write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. The more you write, the more you earn. It's a perfect way to sharpen your writing skills while making money. Number 3. Selling handmade goods. Are you crafty? Do you enjoy creating unique items? Then why not sell your creations online? Websites like Etsy provide a platform for artisans to sell their handmade goods to a global audience. It's a fantastic way to turn your hobby into a business. Number 2. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider offering your services as an online tutor. Whether it's mathematics, science, or a foreign language, there are many students out there in need of extra help. Tutoring not only earns you money, but also boosts your own knowledge and communication skills. And finally, number 1, starting a YouTube channel. Yes, you heard it right. YouTube isn't just for watching funny cat videos. It's a powerful platform for making money. If you have a unique idea or talent, why not share it with the world? Once you gain a sufficient number of subscribers and views, you can start earning money through ad revenue and sponsorships. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online. Each of these methods offers a unique opportunity to earn income while honing your skills or pursuing your passions. Remember, the key to success is consistency, patience, and a dash of creativity. Don't be afraid to try something new. Who knows? Your online venture could be the start of a promising career. Give these methods a try and see where they lead you. So what are you waiting for? Start your online money-making journey today. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on making money online. We'll be sharing more exciting content about online income opportunities, so make sure to stay tuned. You wouldn't want to miss out, would you? Also, if you found this video helpful, don't be shy to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might be interested. Thanks for watching and happy earning.